Hello everybody, welcome to Maths ISA. Here's another GCSE exam style question on energy. It's a good question. You get a lot of similar questions to this in your GCSE, so please pause the video and give it a try. When you're ready for the answer, you can then press play. Consider this 8 kilogram cart. Okay, so let's mark the mass of it, 8 kg. Rolling towards an upper ramp. The cart begins with a speed of 4 meters per second on a flat track. So the initial speed is 4 meters per second and approaches the ramp with a height of 0.6 meters. So this is 0.6. Assume no friction, important. Mass is 8. Initial velocity given, ramp height given. Calculate the initial kinetic energy of the cart at the bottom of the ramp. So the initial kinetic energy is equal to half mv squared. Write the formula and just substitute. So the answer for part A is 64 joules. Part B. Calculate the GPE the cart would have at the top of the ramp. Oh, that's pretty easy. GPE is equal to mgh. M is 8. G on the earth is always 10, 9.81, approximately 10, multiplied by the height is 0.6. So that's 48 joules. So will the cart reach the top of the ramp? Explain your reasoning using energy conservation. Yes, the amount of GPE needed to go to the top of the ramp is less than the kinetic energy at the bottom. So the cart can make it to the top. Last one. When the cart is halfway up the ramp, okay, so it's around here, what types of energy does it have? Only potential energy? No, because obviously it's moving. Only kinetic energy? No, it has a certain height, right? Halfway it will be 0.3. So no. Both? Yes. So how do you put this into words? So to get full marks for a question like this, I would say, the cart is still moving at the halfway point, so it has kinetic energy. Also, it has climbed a height, so it has GPE. The total energy of the cart will be the sum of GPE and KE at this point. So the answer is the third one, both PE and KE, potential and kinetic energy, and here's the explanation.